Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with cellular data not working on iOS 17, then today we are here with some several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone device. Then tap on the cellular and ensure that your cellular data is turned on. You should see the signal bars indicating a connection. Also verify that data roaming is enabled if you are in an area where it is required. And if this does not work, then simply restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can often resolve minor software glitches. I have the shortcut for restarting my iPhone, but if you don't, then simply press and hold the power button until the slider appears and slide to power off and wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Then after you restart your iPhone, go back to the settings again. And now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Now inside the general, tap on the software update and ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of the iOS. Install any updates if available. After that, go back to the general again. Now, after you go back to the general, scroll down and look for the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on the reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Resetting network settings can often resolve connectivity related issues. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN settings. You will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords after this reset. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.